Hi Pash. So this is the use case I was talking about. So for this tenant, the time format that I've set is DDMMYYYY, and the date that I've selected is 17th of October. If I submit this report, it works fine, but if I change it to MMDDYYYY, um, this filter configuration page is giving an error. So it says that conversion from string 17. So I think it is taking this as a month since the format had changed. So that's the reason I have added those two scenarios where it should work when user change the date format. Yeah, thank you.